I want her, I need her, and someday, someway, whoa, 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 I'll meet her. She'll be kinda shy and real good looking too, and I'll be certain she's my girl by the things she'll like to do, like walking in the rain and wishing on the stars up above and being so in love. When she's near me, I'll kiss her, and when she leaves me, whoa, 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 I'll miss her. Though sometimes we'll fight, I won't really care. I know it's gonna be alright, 'cause we got so much to share, like walking in the rain and wishing on the stars up above and being so in love. No, no, she'll never do. No, it isn't her too. They would never, no, they'd never, never, ever love. Walking in the rain and wishing on the stars up above, or being so in love. Walking in the rain